Uh-oh, I detect smoke. Beep, ba-ba, beep, ba-ba, beep, 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 ba-ba, beep, ba-ba, beep, 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 ba-ba, beep, ba-ba, Smokey, ba-ba, beep, ba-ba, beep, beep, beep. Oh, shit, it's smoke up in this bitch. A bitch better get up and fix the shit quick. I'ma give her a minute, so about 6. I think I gotta call the marshals on this chick. I smell some smoke, so it might be a fire. She better wake that ass up and check that jambalaya. Cause if she don't hurry and clear the air, she gonna wish she didn't have that synthetic hair. Oh shit, it's foggy in this bitch. I don't think I can see that or this. About to say bumpy, it's just what it is. I hope she got State Farm insurance. Must have been an oxygen tank.